Hello and welcome back everyone to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your loan account on the US Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in usbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official US Bank website. Now in order to log into your loan account, first of all, you will need to log in to your account as well. Just click on the login button at the top right corner, and from the login portal, click on the drop-down menu and choose your account type. After choosing your type, simply enter your account username within the username box. Now underneath the password section, you can simply type in your account password that you set up while creating your account. Then click on the login button, which will take you into your account and sign you in. Once you have been signed in, click on the personal tab, and now you will see the various different loans. Click on the loan that you have taken and then choose the category, and now you will be able to access your loan account right away. In case you don't already have a loan, you will be taken to the loan application page. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to log into your loan account on the US Bank website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.